Hello, this is Teacher Jeffrey. Our topic this time is Transport System 2, substances needed by the cells, and we will focus on the pathway of oxygen. The question that most students will ask is, where does oxygen gas come from before it reaches the transport system in the red blood cell? Before oxygen gas can reach the transport system, we need to find out where it is coming. And oxygen gas is coming from the air, the environment. It goes into the respiratory system, and this oxygen gas diffuses from the alveoli to the capillaries in the transport system. So we will discuss it into detail on the next slide. Now we will ask ourselves where the alveoli or the air sacs is found. So the pathway of oxygen is from the environment, then to the nose or the nasal cavity. It went into the pharynx, then to the larynx, then the windpipe or the trachea, going to the bronchi, to the bronchioles, and now it reaches the alveoli, which is also called the air sacs, and it is enveloped with blood capillaries. So the tip of the respiratory system is the air sac or the alveoli. So we are able to see in the drawing on the right, the alveoli is with a capillary near to its side. The alveoli must have a moist membrane for oxygen to diffuse out of it to the capillaries where the red blood cell is located. Then you're able to see through the red arrow that oxygen diffuses out of the alveoli to the capillary into the red blood cell. To summarize our topic for today, where does the oxygen gas come from before it reaches the transport system? It is first we need to consider it comes from the air. So on the left side you have the drawing. It reaches the respiratory tract, so it starts with the nasal cavity or the nose, to the pharynx, then to the larynx or the voice box, to the windpipe or the trachea, to the bronchi, to the bronchioles, and it reaches now the alveoli, which is also considered or called as your air sac. This air sac is enveloped with blood capillaries. So on the right side you can see that here exchange of gases takes place, and one of the gas that diffuses from it is oxygen. So from the environment it reaches this alveoli, and once it reaches, it needs to have a moist membrane, so it diffuses from the alveoli to the capillary. Now it is the transport system. In the capillary, your red blood cell is found. So this ends our topic for today, transport system to how and where oxygen is coming from and how it reaches the transport system. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you have questions or doubts, feel free to write your comments below. And this is Teacher Jeffrey saying, a goal without a plan is just a wish.